This is the McCormick Taco Seasoning, and I absolutely love it. It comes in this big container, and you can either spoon it out or shake it out. And I absolutely love that. And it tastes so good. Great for tacos as well as picadillo, which I am making right now. So check it out. This is picadillo, which is ground beef, onions, and bell peppers. And I'm also making some potatoes on the side. And I'm using McCormick Taco Seasoning also with it. And it makes it taste so, so good. And here are the potatoes that are still getting cooked. And I'm going to mix it in right now. Can you hear that sizzle? It's all done now, mixed together. Thanks for watching and hope you found this video helpful.